I don't know what this is. It looks like a flying saucer or a kite that's all lit up but massive, or some kind of drone, or a parachute. It can't be a parachute because it's controlled in kind of one height. Unbelievable. Never seen anything like this in my life. It looks like a giant spider web that's lit up in the sky. It's right over Long Beach as we speak. Wow, it's like coming towards me. Wow, unbelievable. I wonder what it is.